Assalamu alaikum class. Today we will discuss about data organization and data analysis. Scientists get data from observations and experiments. What is data? Data is the raw facts and figures. It is information. It is in the form of names, dates, and values. How data organized? Data organization. It is very important for scientists to collect data and organized in different form. It ensures the quality of experiments. To ensure the quality of experiments, scientists organize data, collect data. Data is organized in different formats, for example graphics, tables, flowcharts, maps, and diagrams. For example, when we want to discuss about cell, we see the diagram of cell. We see inside the cell what thing is present, how many organelles are present, what types of organelles are present, and in the form of maps, we arrange the sequence of animals from where place, what type of organisms are present, how many animals are present in Islamabad, how many men's, how many women's are present in Lahore. That things are we show in on the maps. Data analysis. Data we There are two types of data analysis. First is ratio, and second is proportion. When two numbers are divided to each other, it is known as ratio. Ratio may be expressed by putting division or colon mark between the two numbers. For example, ratio between a and b, we show a over b or a colon b. Proportion. When two equal ratios are joined by sign of equality, it is known as a proportion. For example, the proportion between two ratio a and b and c and d, we show this as this, that is present on diagram on this page. We get an example of malarial patients. We want for example, out of 20 people are out of 20 people, 14 people are affected by malaria. It is the first ratio. And second ratio is the total number of people are 100, and we want to get affected people. We put on the place of unknown number, we put x. So we show x ratio 100, proportion 14, ratio 20. Then we get the number of x is 70. So out of 100, 70 people are affected by malaria. This is we get by the ratio or proportion. Get data observation from experiment. Data raw facts and figures known as data. It is information, names, dates, or values. Data organization. It is very important for scientists to collect data. It ensures a quality of experiment. Data is organized in different formats: graphics, tables, flowcharts, and maps and diagrams. Data analysis. Two types of data analysis: ratio and proportion. When two numbers are divided to each other, it is known as ratio. Proportion. Two equal ratios are joined by sign of equality, known as proportion. And we get an example of malarial patient out of 14 out of 20.